The Filipino antonyms mahirap, which means difficult or poor in English, and madali, which means easy. Mahirap, madali. Mahirap, madali. Ang pag-aaral ng aralin ay mahirap sa simula. Studying the lesson is tough at first. Aral means study, and then aralin is a lesson. And then mahirap means difficult. Sa simula it means the beginning or at the start or at first. Ang pag-aaral ng aralin ay mahirap sa simula. Madali lang siyang kausapin. He or she is easy to talk to. Madali means easy, lang is only, and then siya is he or she, it's gender neutral, and then usap means to talk, kausapin is to talk. Madali lang siyang kausapin. Sila ay mahirap na pamilya sa baryo. They are a poor family in the village. Sila is they, mahirap is poor, and then pamilya is family, and then a barrio is a village. Sila ay mahirap na pamilya sa baryo. Ang madaling pagpapasya ay minsan nakakasama. Hasty decisions are sometimes harmful. Madali means easy, pagpapasya means like decision, and then minsan is sometimes masama, nakakasama, it means harmful. Ang madaling pagpapasya ay minsan nakakasama. And that is all for our Filipino antonyms. Mahirap, which means difficult or poor in English, and madali, which means easy in English. Mahirap, madali. Mahirap, madali.